Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Infinite Knowledge, and I have developed a battery management system and BMS system or BSS system, and I have developed a system through which we can attack over there, and the cyber attack that I call it as a man in the middle or spoofing. Okay, so as you are well aware about it, how the system is working, I have already uploaded a video related to the BMS system, how it is working. So I am suggesting that just go through that video so you will understand how the system is working properly. So this is the normal load condition. You can see here it written normal. This is overload. Whenever I turn on this switch, overload situation created, and that isolate our breaker to protect our battery. So you can see as I turn on this switch, so heavy load will be appear over the battery, and that detect by this high detection and isolate the battery. Okay, so I have already explained in detail how the system is working in the BMS video, but this video is specifically designed for the cyber attack. So you can see I have developed one cyber attack over here. So in which first this is a IoT system display. You can see display or the state of charge. You can see this is a display for battery percentage. That is IoT. Okay, so you can see on your dashboard on your mobile phone the battery charging, the state of the charge of your battery over there. Let's say we someone attack over there in between and maliciously display the data. So how it can be possible? Someone has the node address of your system. So how that it possible to take a node address? Node address can be attacked by the brute force attack. Brute force attack it simply means that if you don't know the password of your mobile phone, you are trying from 0000 to over 9999 like that way. So this is a brute force attack and it is a node address. So node can be 0 to 128. So here we have developed the system in which we have increased the value from 0 to 128, and whenever the same node address is there, it generate a high command. The high command is generated only for one 12. Okay, so that's why we got the uh, 12 address. So once the hacker has the address of your system, has the node address of your system, he can access the system and add the manual data, add the malicious data, add the spoofing data, and it's called man in the middle attack. So I continue the simulation and will add the malicious data. So normally the you can see battery charge is actually discharging by this rate 89.95, and you are getting value over here which is in this display. But when a hacker has the access of your system, that can add the malicious data, and you can see the malicious data is added, and for that we need to see the simulation properly. Okay, so you can see how the malicious data is there. This is wrong data. Actually, your battery charging is 89.99%, but you maliciously add wrong data, and this is what you are display over your mobile phone, over your SCADA system, over your remote access desktop. So this is how hacker can access your node address and add it into your system and display malicious data. And as you have a firewall, it detects some abnormality by generating alert, and once you restart the system, you will get again the access. So this is a malicious data. This is a wrong data that you have fed into the system, not you fed. The hacker added this wrong data into your system. So this is how you can develop it. Again, if we turning on this switch, you can see wrong data is coming. Actually, your battery percentage is here 89.92, and what you are getting, it is a totally malicious data, and that is fed by some uh, attacker. Okay, so this is how you can detect vulnerability in your system and make a system which here first we get the node address and then I added a wrong data. So yes, this is how you can develop this system, and remaining things are same. This is the temperature. If your temperature is more than the rated temperature, the battery will isolate it and protect your system. And this is a deep discharge state. If your battery percentage is less than 5%, also this breaker is remain off and save your battery. And this is the 100% charge. When your battery is 100% charge, this indication will change. So this is not a part of your cyber attack. This is a BMS system, and this is the part of your cyber attack. So this is how you can perform the cyber attack in your BMS system in the MATLAB Simulink. And this type of cyber attack may possible, and you need to remove or you need to mitigate the cyber attack by this type of firewall. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have still any query, just comment it. I will definitely reply. For any type of MATLAB project, for any type of electrical electronics project, you can connect with me through my email ID or through my WhatsApp number that is given in the description box. This email ID, this MATLAB SLX file will available in the description box. Thank you very much for watching this video.